Managing deals is one of the most important parts of using Pipedrive. In this guide, I'll show you how to create, update, organize, and track deals so you can keep your sales pipeline moving smoothly. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account and navigate to the deals area. This is where all your sales opportunities are stored and managed. To add a new opportunity, click the Add Deal button. Enter a deal title, select the related contact or organization, add an estimated value, and choose the appropriate pipeline stage. As conversations progress, keep your deal information updated. You can edit values, add notes, attach files, and record important details directly inside the deal record. One of Pipedrive's most useful features is the visual pipeline. Simply move deals from one stage to another as they progress through your sales process. To stay on top of every opportunity, schedule activities such as calls, meetings, emails, or follow-ups. This helps ensure that no deal gets overlooked. You can also use filters to view specific deals based on status, owner, value, or other criteria. This makes it easier to focus on the opportunities that need attention. Review your pipeline regularly to monitor deal progress, forecast revenue, and identify bottlenecks in your sales process. Pipedrive's reporting tools can help you make better decisions. When a sales opportunity reaches its conclusion, mark the deal as won or lost. This keeps your pipeline accurate and helps improve future sales analysis. And that's how to manage deals in Pipedrive. So by keeping your deals updated and organized, you'll have a much clearer view of your sales pipeline and overall performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.